Sabay sa back. Drain, drain. Sabak na lang, drain. Rebound, Joaquim! Joaquim, pasok! Pau-pau! Pau-pau, Blanks! Nasit. Up! Outside! Bola nila ulit selfie. Pau-pau, nagdadala ng bola. Mag-drive! Kuya Arns, tumilandos. Sablay. Number 8, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasan sa number 25, tumilandos. Sablay ulit. Sa rebound number 3. Kuya King, nagdadala ng bola. Titignan si Pau-pau. Papasok kay Pau-pau, pinasa kay Pau-pau. Pau-pau, nawala yung bola! Number 25, Sablay. Number 8, put back by foul.
There's the foul, number 8, 2 free throws for number 8.
Yun. Unang muslo, pasok. Dalawang bunso. Sablay. Number 2. Pinasa kay Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Wada!
Jimmy Fuentes, 2 points on the left.
Number 95. Tignan Selkridge. Selkridge. Tumilantes. Naribaw ni Dwayne. 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 Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Pau-pau, 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 pinasa kay Arns, ay kay Dwayne, Dwayne, tumilandos, pag-line na block, ako number 25, 25 nagkitibo ng bola, na pinababa bola, 25, 25, naribaw ni Dwayne, Pau-pau, Pau-pau,
Yes, it's drawing by Christian. Opponent score.
Pasta pa naman ng tiyan ko ah. Pasta pa, nag-fasting ako ngayon. Easy 2 by number 8.
2 points.
Ricky.
Last 7 minutes in the game.
Kuya Arns, pull up. Dwayne, rebound, ball fake. Uy, ganda.
Rejected.
What a beautiful.
Another 2 points by Paul Beth.
What a bump by Coach Arnie. Dwayne. Pulling up. Easy basket by Dwayne.
8-9. Labang pa rin. Sila Celtics ng isa.
Number 8. Driving the ball.
Other side.
Wow! Wowee! My day na.
10-9. Game 3-4. Oh, step into the line. That's front court violation. Opponent's board. LA. May kulang pang isang player.
Coach Arnie for 3.
Baka pwede ka. Kailangan ka doon.
Celebrate.
Oh, ball move!
Wow!
12-9. As the ball was pulled down foul the side ball.
Wow! Ang healthy ng tuhod. Di ko siya ngayon. Grabe yun.
Last 3 minutes in the game. 12-9.
Pass it to Pau Pau. Pau Pau. Giving it to Dwayne. Dwayne. Pau Pau. What a layup! Number 25. Kuya Kim with a steal. Woo! Basket by number 25.
11-12. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds in the game. What a move by number 25. He's taking the target.
Pass is too high.
12-11. Sila naman na. Just say shoot. Number 8. Arnie gonna move. Arnie.
Arnie. Coach Arnie. What a pass by Coach Arnie. Rebound by number 25. 25. Going to the basket. Pass it to number.
What a play. 13-12.
Kuya Kim. Pass it to Coach Arnie. Ball fake. Again. It's a clean lock by Selkris.
What a
Behind the
shot.
back pass. Number 25. Convert.
Same ball. Final 1 minute in the game. 13-12. They need to stop it and score. Lucky foul. Arsenal. Side ball.
40 seconds left. Number 8.
That's good.
Stolen by Pau Pau. Pau Pau converts. Basket by Pau Pau.
40-13.
Another stop by Pau Pau's team. Pau Pau. Pau Pau. Pass it to
Last